I'm getting older. Things are different now. Things are different. I can't. Kan nie meer knypie. I can't pinch like I used to, man. My clutch gly. I used to be able to pinch a fart from here to Somerset West. I used to hold him. In your 20s, you're confident. Now I'm nervous. It can happen at any time. I pinched a fart. I was in Woolworths yesterday. I go fast. Because you can't fart in a Woolworths. Those things go off so easily. I was pinching. I was like, then it slipped out the top. You know that one? Have you ever had a fright like you weren't the one farting? What was that, sis? But your back is hot. It's real. It's a real problem. No, I can't. My aunt, 40, I'm 41 now. But years ago, you know, she gave me advice that I didn't understand at the time. I wasn't ready for the advice. I'm only using it now. When I was a young man, like 18, 19, I used to drive my aunt around. And she never had a license. And she once said, I must live in Henkie. And we were driving from Port Elizabeth on the National Road, N2. Toe sê sy vir my kind, trek af, ek moet veld vat. Now, if you know what that means, you know, man. So now I'm there on the National Road. I tell them, because you know, you're 19. People know us. We can't know, auntie. You can't be here. People are going to recognize you. She said, my child, ek sit net my rok oor my kop. A hol is a hol. A hol is a hol. And it's true. It set me free, eh? Set me free. I drive around with a towel now. If you see me on the road, ek is hier. If you drive past, you go, hy's Alfred. How do you know